Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do me a favor, ignore the cricket. There's a cricket in the garage. The garage is where my studio is. It's just part of life. Today we're gonna be making some merch in Canva. Let's go. Before we jump into today's tutorial, let's have a word from our sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Own.pro, the subscription service from the legends at Own.tv. For just $12.99 or less a month, you get unlimited access to over 400 premium overlays and alerts. After a quick install of the Own.pro software, you'll be able to change the entire look of your stream with the click of a button. Use my affiliate link down below to support the channel and check out all that Own.pro has to offer. Alright guys, if you're not already, make sure you follow me over on Twitch. I'm a variety streamer. I stream every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Love for you guys to come hang out with me. Maybe we can make some cool stuff. Maybe we'll play some games. Excited to see you over there. With that said, to get started, all you need is Canva. Now, a pro version helps, but you can definitely get by with the free version. If you do want the pro version, I will have it linked down below. You can use my affiliate code and get, I think it's 7 days for free. So make sure you use that. With that said, let's jump into the tutorial. So create your account, go to canva.com. From here, we're simply going to search T-shirts, just like that. And we're going to immediately be given a ton of templates. I mean, it's simply that easy. I'm gonna go ahead and start with probably this one. One thing we want to be careful of, guys, is that when we're making merch, the more colors we use, the more expensive it's going to be. So the less money we're gonna make on it, but also the more it's gonna cost our community to buy. So this is really nice, but there is a lot of colors, okay? So I'm gonna look for one that's maybe a little bit simpler to start with. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just absolutely love this design, this like monoline design. I think is really, really, really good. So I'm going to actually just click on it, and we'll start with this idea. Now, obviously this may not be for everyone, but if you want to, you could do something like follow. And this could be like, you know, twitch.tv/Dr. Heals, right? I don't know what you want your shirt to say. But then from here, you can go and start changing out some of these elements. Like, I don't know that this is the right design for me, so I'm gonna go to elements, and I'm just gonna search monoline. You can say where I've already searched it, but let's say monoline lightning. Let's do it. Oh, lightning would be cool, actually. Let's just find a nice lightning bolt. How about like that? If it'll fit, I don't know if that'll fit. Let me see. Should do a lightning bolt. Like this. This is actually, this one right here is perfect. It's what I was thinking. But of course, I don't want it to look like that. Let's see if we can give it just the... Unfortunate. All right, so that's what we want. I want to see if I can find one that has just the stroke on it, though. There we go. Perfect. So that one, just like that, I'm going to give it, just keep this pink color. But of course, we could change that to whatever color we would like it to be. And I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to see if I can grab that one behind. Delete it. There we go. And I'm just going to alt drag that one over. And now I do want to flip it where they're both kind of facing to the inside. So I'm going to flip horizontal, just like that. Now maybe inside of there we could get rid of that. Let's go to the recommendations, see what they have here. Sure, let's go with something like this. Okay, I'm gonna drag it over because I know it's gonna be hard to get that center heart out. Drag it over. And there we go. Maybe we want to go with something like that. And there's our shirt. But of course, we can change the color. What we would end up having to do is kind of delete out that background. Oh, slide in here, delete that background as well. Oh, that is how it was cut out. I do understand. So, okay, we may have to do some trickery to make something like that work, where we actually have to cut that out of those right behind there. And so probably the way that I would do that is I would make this green, just like this. I would go over here, something like that. I'd make this background super, super green. And then I would probably make my foreground, all of this stuff, a like black color. I'm just gonna go back. And that way there's a lot of contrast, and then I would take it to an online program like remove.bg or something like that to take out that background and then export it as a transparent PNG, where I would then submit that to, you know, Stream Elements or whoever else is making my merch. If you want a further tutorial on how to do something like that, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure I make it happen. All right, let's get rid of this one. Let's go ahead and bring up another shirt design. So I'm just gonna go to templates. I'm gonna hit back and we can just scroll through. There are plenty here. I think one like this is actually really cool, right? You get like the ice cream, and you could, of course, can make that be whatever you want it to be. I would just put in like Dr. Heels, just over and over. We only have 2 more. There was definitely an easier way to do this, but we didn't do it, so here we are. So do like your name, and then I don't know. I'm gonna keep the ice cream because hey, I love ice cream. Okay. Bring them in a little bit closer, and maybe something like that is a good shirt design for you. I mean, edit it down, put whatever you want, use whatever little symbol you want in the back. All we're doing is we're just kind of building off the templates that it's already showing us. Like, I think this is a really, really good template. If I'm honest, like, this is nice. This is really nice. So we have things like that. But what I'm gonna go down to is the one that I found that I think is the best for particularly what we do. Is right here, the pop culture t-shirt. So I'm gonna click see all, and I'm just gonna show you some of these. Immediately, that's a fantastic shirt. I mean, I don't even, like, maybe you have a rivalry with another friendly streamer and you wanna throw in there. So one of my good friends is Reborn Crusader. And he's recently taken a break on streaming, but we always have this little rivalry going, and so maybe I would have, you know, something like this, and maybe I am doing a team shirt, and you know, we're gonna, something like that. You know, we don't want to make it look like he's winning, but you know, maybe we're doing something like that. Obviously, we can get in here, play around with the fonts, come up with something neat looking, and really make something cool happen. I think Christic is perfect for this. Or, you know, something like that. Maybe make these the color of the individuals. I don't know. You know, I'm just playing around, doing stuff. But yeah, there you go. You have a really, really cool shirt design in a matter of seconds. Put that in, throw it up there, start making money, give your community awesome shirts to wear. Let's keep going. I think this design, especially if you're like a retro gamer, I would do like this. I love to use my link. I really do. I think I want to say 100, a little less. Keep it coming down, keep it coming down. There we go. Add a little bit more spacing. Something like that, right? There you go. And this one I think would be really easy to just make black and white. So just like this, I'm gonna make this white, this part black, and there is a 1 color print. Even this we could change to be white, and it is a single color print, and it is really, really cool, okay? So we're gonna keep going. I think this one, obviously, that's just such a good design. You could easily make that work, so I would keep that, change that to whatever I wanted to say. Here's some like pocket prints, little couch potato action, I like it. Check this out, a little bit of player 2 action. You could easily change this to throw in your Twitch name, and there's a shirt ready to go. I mean, if you're in D&D or anything like that, some of these other designs, roll for initiative, I love it. Your little like press start, that's so good. Throw this in, notice me with the 3 hearts above it, I love it. I mean, change it wherever you want, right here, plot twist. You know, something like this, right? Maybe adjust this down just a little bit, bring them over. You know, play with it however you need to make it work. There you go, whatever. You have a design right there. Add page. Throw this. I love the old school gamer stuff. I really, really love like this kind of stuff. That would be very expensive to print, so I would probably go like this. I think this is really good. A simple follow. So easy, man. Look at that. That is such a nice shirt. This right here may be in my merch store next time you check. Okay. Add page. I love this. This is nice. This just designed, and maybe you you don't need the chair there. And I'm sorry guys, that cricket is going nuts. Maybe we want to keep the lightning bolt thing. Let's see. Or there was that one that I liked. Which one was it? Where was it? Let's go with this one, whatever. I'm just throwing stuff on here for the moment. Get rid of that, you know, make this black and whatever. Hillbilly Elite, I don't know. That's the name of my community is the Hillbillies. So, you know, whatever, knockout, it can say anything you want it to. I'm just, as you can see guys, I'm flying through here and making tons and tons of different designs. Just grabbing, there you go, the little, you know, the comic style. That's awesome, right? Here you go. Something like that. That would be a pretty intense print, but you could do it. There you go, something like that. Just easy. Throw your name in there. Like look at this design. This has like a Vans style shirt written all over it, where I'm just like, you know, maybe it's a catchphrase. And it's like, start streaming in 2019. Right, something like that. Easy design, easy peasy, man. And just keep going through. There's a ton. I mean, there's a ton. And maybe this isn't, you know, maybe this isn't the fit for you. Love it. And so just go, you know, go back and look through the rest of these. Look at the event t-shirts. You know, I don't know what your stream is specifically about, but any of these styles that you kind of like this lifestyle and hobby, maybe you want to go and look through more of these. And, you know, maybe something like that works for your style, but go and find something that works for your brand, something that really kind of fits, and go with that. I mean, just look, there are so many. So many. Look at this. Oh, that's nice. But there are so many different designs. I mean, just click through here. I don't know. Maybe like the food stuff isn't your thing, and so you're gonna keep looking. But there's no reason. There's no reason we should not have merch at this point, right? All this is just it's so easy to do, man. Canva makes stuff like this an absolute breeze. So with that said, I would love to see what you guys come up with. And so if you do end up using this tutorial and make some designs, make sure you join my Discord. I'll have it linked down below, and share it in the Share Your Art channel. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. I really do. I love these designs. I'm probably going to get on here and make a few new pieces of merch to throw up on my store. A couple of those that I had a minute ago will probably be the ones that go up. Either way, guys, I hope this helped you. If you're not already, make sure you're following this channel. I'm putting out videos just like this a crazy amount. Also consider getting into the Let's Play stuff too to upload on here. If you like that idea, let me know in the comments. With that said, guys, make sure you follow me over on Twitch at twitch.tv/drheels. I'm a variety streamer that streams every Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Appreciate you guys so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Okay, here goes. Here goes. Oh, it's so hot instantly.